You're up early. I barely slept. Still thinking? She left just like that.
She probably had somewhere important.
Then why does it feel like she left because of me?
What happened between you two?
Nothing.
You're lying.
I said nothing happened. There she is. She really came back like nothing happened. After everything, she still walks around here. People change after hospital, don't they? Do they think I can't hear them? Don't respond. I heard she was trying to leave the village for good. Some say she just wants attention. And now she's pregnant. Say it louder! I'm right here. We didn't say anything to her face. But you said it anyway.
Let's go.
You didn't have to answer them like that. They were talking about me like I'm not human. This village always talks. They never get tired. You've been different since yesterday. I'm the same. No, you're not. I said I'm fine. Fine people don't keep looking at empty spaces. It's nothing.
Is it because of that girl?
What girl?
The one who left.
She just left, that's all.
And why does it feel like there's more you're not saying?
I don't want to talk about it. There's something I'm not being told. Not now. You've been avoiding my calls. I'm not avoiding you. Then why does it feel like you're far away? I'm just dealing with things here. What things, Fulufhelo? You always say that, but you're shutting me out. I said I'm not ready.
I'm coming to see you.
What? She didn't even say goodbye properly.
You're still thinking about her.
I don't know why it hurts this much.
Because she mattered to
She
you.
was just there.
No. People who are just there don't stay in your thoughts like this.
I think I pushed her away.
Why would you do that?
I don't even know anymore.
Good evening.
Good evening, officer.
I'm here to remind Fulufhelo about court on Monday.
Monday, but that's so soon. We'll be there.
Good.
I know.
You must arrive early.
We'll be there.
The accused will also be present.
I have to see them again?
Yes. Be strong.
I should have said something.
What am I even doing?
I already miss you.
You really care about that girl.
What?
The way you've been acting since she left.
You're reading too much into it.
Am I? We were friends. Friends don't leave this kind of silence behind.
Court is finally Monday. They deserve prison.
If they really did it. Why would she lie after everything?
And what about the pregnancy? That's what everyone wants to know. She can't hide it forever.
We need the truth. Why do I keep checking? I pushed you away, and now you're gone. I know I feel something too.
You should be sleeping.
I can't.
You need strength for tomorrow.
Tomorrow changes everything.
Not everything.
It feels like it.
Whatever happens tomorrow, it won't erase what happened.
I know.
Stay close to me.
I didn't think I'd be back here again.
You came this far already.
I'm not ready to see them.
You don't have to be
I
ready.
hate this.
There they are.
They really got arrested. They thought they were untouchable.
This is bad. We should have thought earlier.
No. Fulufhelo. I can't do this. Yes, you can. They're really here.
And so are you.
All rise.
Please let this end.
We're finished. Stop talking. You said we'd be fine. Shut up. Look where we are now. This is on all of us.
Vhutshilo, you didn't think I'd miss this.
You came.
Of course I came. Why didn't you tell me? Would it have changed anything? I thought you were gone. I was. Then why come back? Because this isn't something you face alone. You still came. I said what I said.
After reviewing witness testimony, medical evidence, and all submissions before this court finds the accused guilty.
The crime committed against the complainant caused severe physical and psychological harm. This court therefore sentences the accused to a term of imprisonment.
No! No! They deserve it. It's finally over! For them, maybe. Keep moving.
Are you going to answer? I don't know. Why is everything happening at once?
You didn't answer.
I couldn't. Or you chose not to. I needed silence. From her or from your life?
Rofiwa is calling.
You going to answer? I don't know. Then don't run this time. You know everything about me.
I do.
And you still stayed, even after the pregnancy.
Because that didn't change who you are.
I pushed you away.
Then why am I still standing here?
I don't know.
Then tell me why you came back.
So now you call me after everything?
I couldn't keep pretending.
Pretending what?
That I'm still the same person you met. What changed? Everything. Then I guess I lost you before I even knew.
I didn't tell you because I was raped.
What?
And I'm pregnant. Why didn't you trust me? I didn't even trust myself.
So they say all 3 boys were there that night.
But who is the real father then?
That's what the court must still explain.
I heard it's Rendani.
No, it's Mashudu. He was always close to her.
You people are guessing. Nobody really knows.
Maybe that's why she suffered so much. Because she doesn't even know herself. Only the hospital or court can confirm the truth.
You're carrying too many voices in your head.
I don't know which one is mine anymore.
Then stop listening to fear.
It's hard.
Peace is never easy, but it is honest. I can't be in a relationship with someone I don't know anymore. I understand. Was I ever real to you? You were, but I lost myself before I could love you properly. So where does that leave me? Somewhere I never meant to hurt you. I think I loved you more than you were ready to be loved. Goodbye, Fulufhelo.
This place is worse than I imagined. Just stay quiet.
Fresh faces. So, this is the new batch. You look like court boys. This place doesn't care what you wear outside. Inside here, you either learn fast or you don't last long.
We understand.
No, you don't. Lights out.
If I'm honest, I wouldn't mind dating her. You, after everything she went through? So, that doesn't change her beauty. Some of you just like people when they're already strong again.
No, it's true though. She looks like peace now. I wish I knew her before all this drama. Maybe I would have stood a chance.
People always want what they didn't see when it was there.
All right. We're going to check on the baby today. Okay, I'm here. Any pain recently?
Not pain, just too much in my head.
Stress affects both of you now. You don't have to carry everything alone anymore. Let's see, baby is stable.
Really?
Yes, strong heartbeat, everything looks okay.
You hear that? I was so scared I'd lose everything.
Stress is your biggest risk right now. You need peace.
I don't even know what peace looks like anymore.
Then stop running from what gives you peace.
You don't make it easy.
I'm not supposed to. I have to think about more than just me now. You always did.
You're quieter now. I'm thinking about what the nurse said. About everything.
I saw the baby today, and it didn't feel real.
It is real.
That's what scares me.
You don't have to be afraid of what's already here.
I've been afraid of everything that stayed in my life. Even me? Especially you. Then why am I still here? Because I don't know how to choose without hurting someone.
You're already hurting yourself by not choosing at all.
I'm tired.
Then stop running.
I've been trying to act like I'm okay.
I know.
But I'm not. I missed you even when I pushed you away. I was scared of everything I was feeling.
You didn't have to run from me.
I wasn't running from you. I was running from myself. You were there for me when I was falling apart. And I still pushed you away.
Why?
Because I didn't understand what I was feeling for you. And now I do.
You were never just my friend.
I waited for you to say that. You said it.
I did.
So what now?
I don't want to lose people anymore.
Then stop pushing away the ones who stay.
Even when it's scary?
Especially then.
For the first time, I feel like I can breathe. You don't have to survive alone anymore. I just want peace now. Then protect it.